Travel with Eva here with Jordan Travel Enterprise, your group event travel specialist. And I am at the Grand Hotel Krasnapolsky, and I'm pronouncing it wrong, but that's okay. Come along for my room tour. I am in room 2140. And I want to give you a tour of my room. Here you see we have an in-room safe and plenty of space for luggage and storage as you're traveling. And over here we have hangers. We have robes for you, slippers. And then over here is your coffee station, complimentary water for you. And there's an in-room refrigerator, as well as space above. Let me have you come over here. They have the energy saver for if you're leaving the room to save energy. You can just pull that out and it will turn the lights out for you. And here is the bathroom. You have double sinks, your cosmetic mirror, extra towels, hair dryer, and a spacious shower. And of course, your toilet. Okay, come along. This is a king room. You have your desk area here. The room includes complimentary Wi-Fi, your flat screen TV. You have an area here to sit and relax. And the part that I really enjoy about this room is the view. And you may say, Eva, what view? You're just looking at houses. Well, come on over. And it's a window seat here, and you can look down. Right now it's raining, but you can look down the street. You'll see you're right here next to restaurants, hotels, shopping. You're right in the square area where there's so many things going on. There's museums and activities for you to participate in. And I just want to thank you for taking this time to do this room tour with me at the Grand Hotel Krasnapolsky. And if you would love to connect with me for your group travel event, you can make an appointment at schedule.travelwitheva.com and complete the questionnaire at questionnaire.travelwitheva.com. I'm getting tongue-tied, but you contact me at travelwitheva.com or jordantravelenterprise.com. Bye for now.